Hello everyone, this is TechTricks, and today we will talk about a problem that Linux users, particularly dual boot users, find, and that is that even after removing the Linux partition from the system, the grub menu still appears, and to boot into the Windows they have to change the booting order, and then they can successfully boot into the Windows. So this may appear monotonous for many users. So we will see the example of this in the next part. So let's see. So here you can see that after booting it is showing that the grub. So to exit from that we have to type the command exit, and after pressing enter uh, and it will open another menu, and from that menu we have to select the Windows boot manager to successfully boot into the Windows. So this is a monotonous process, and this may be a hindrance to your productivity. So we'll see how to solve the problem in easy steps. So as you can see, at first in your search bar type cmd or the command prompt, and you have to run as administrator. So keep it in mind, and after that, after the window appears, type their disk part. So let's press enter, and so now you can see that this part is open. So next type list disks to show the all the commands, all the disks available, and after that you can see that you have to select the disk which is available. So I have typed seal disk 0. So disk 0 is the now selected disk, and to show the further partition you have to type list volume. So here you can see, now you have to note the partition which is labeled with the system info. So this is the volume 4 in my case, so remember that. But so you have to at first assign a letter, as I have done it previously. So it is showing Z, but I will rename it to and show you the complete procedure. So before that you have to select volume 4, that is the system. So and now you have to write the command assign letter equal to x. So we can choose any letter, but I will prefer to choose K to L. So now you can see that this partition is assigned the drive letter. So now you have to type exit. So remember the letter which you have assigned to the disk, and that is x. So just type x and it will open the directory. So after that type the command dir to show the all the directories. So now you can see that there is a directory called EFI. So you have to change your directory to EFI. So type cd EFI, and after that again type dir, and now you can see that there is a directory named Ubuntu, and in that partition the grub is situated. So you have to remove that directory. So type rm directory rmdir /s ubuntu. So after that when you press enter, it will ask for your confirmation, and after you type y, it will delete. So to be sure, again press the dir to show, and it is showing that there is no level. So now we'll reboot to see whether the menu has disappeared or not. So now you can see that it is directly rebooting into the Windows without showing the grub menu. So we are successful in removing the grub partition, and so this was the simple solution of the problem. So if you liked our video, don't forget to like, comment or subscribe. Thank you again.